He gets the win on the Ford EcoBoost 200, and James Busher, the 22-year-old from Plano, Texas, will beat the 2012 Nascar Camping World Cup. And White Christian down here, 1 year at Damon. You guys, since you and David got married in January, you picked up a nationwide win at Daytona. You're now champions.
It's absolutely amazing. Everything that James and I went through this year. Plus, we sat down on Monday actually and talked about everything. But we said, man, we got to win the championship.
This was the wife of James that got married in January. They are the 2012 National Camping World Cup Series champion. Meanwhile, Winston Cale, that heck of a win. Jerry Baxter, he said he should be able to drive around him. He did one well of the job. Your posture emotions to be coming to coming here tonight from Homestead, Miami Speedway. But James Busher taking home the championship here at the Cale Gale Truck Series in the Ford EcoBoost 200. Great finish down the stretch. We'll hear from the top five coming up in just a bit. On the final lap here, Cale Gale with the run. They made contact going down the stretch, side by side, and the nose advantage going out to Cale Gale. Gale with the victory. Coulter is in third.